What's up, you guys? It's your girl NiNiCourt, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been so long since I posted a video, but I have good reason. I've been getting everything together because I have a whole lot planned for this channel. So I'm very excited, and welcome back to everybody. And if you're new, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe just so you could be a part of the crew. All right, enough babbling. So you guys, today I have something super exciting. I've been waiting for this, hence the reason why I have my scarf. My hair hasn't been done in let me say two months. For 2 months I've really been roughing it out. I've been wearing my real hair. Sometimes my real hair could be cute, sometimes my hair could just be super dry, super just ugly and brittle. So yeah, that's what, in days like those, I slap a scarf so fast on my head. But you guys, okay, let me just let me get myself together. Let me get myself together because I'm so excited. And yeah, so this is actually gonna be my raw. Okay, wait, let me tell you what we're doing. Okay, today, you guys, I have a unboxing today. So today I actually am going to be with you guys. So it's gonna be my first time unboxing this. I still have the package right here. I'm not gonna show you my address. Still have the package right here. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing review for the hair company iSee Hair. I've heard a lot about this company, so that's honestly why I went with it. And on top of that, just recently they had a huge Black Friday sale, so I had to just snatch something up. And also, my 21st birthday is coming up. Today is December 12th and my birthday is December 14th. And it's in 2 days, so that's another reason why I need to hurry up and get this video up, because I need to install this baby, okay? I need to install it, okay? Honestly, I don't remember the specs. I got this hair probably about a week ago. I've honestly been waiting to unbox it with you guys. I didn't want to do it by myself because I always do it by myself. So I'm just like, I have a YouTube channel now. I have a YouTube family, so let me just go ahead and show them. But yeah, first thing I'm gonna do for this unboxing, I'm actually unbox and open the package. So oops, I'm dropping everything. So first, I'm gonna just go ahead and start ripping this open because I'm ready to get it open. And I have my scissors right here. And y'all, please don't mind my nails. I'm about to get them done for my birthday, so don't even worry about that, okay? All right, so I opened it like this. I just cut the top of it open like this. And let's see. Ooh, okay. This is some different type of bubble wrap. I've never seen this bubble wrap before. They made sure my package was safe, honey. Okay. Ta-da! Y'all, I'm so excited. Okay. That's the package. The package. Super cute. It's black and it has some gold writing on it. This is all the writing. This is the back. Hold on, let me see if I have an invoice paper because I really want to tell y'all what I got. It might be on the inside. All right, cool. So this is the box. So the box feels very honestly don't know how to describe this material. It's definitely not, it's not like a regular cardboard. It's not a regular box. It actually feels so good. It almost feels like fiber. I'm so serious. I really don't know how to describe this, but it feels really good. It's I guess it's an AliExpress company, but they actually have their own website. So I don't know if the quality is different on the website versus AliExpress, but I don't know. I just went with what had the biggest sale, which was AliExpress. Okay, so now that I'm opening the box, it's right here. It says iSee Hair AliExpress, so that's their Instagram. Baby, let me tell you what I got. Ooh, this is okay. All right, okay. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little excited. This is my first time seeing it, by the way. You guys see my natural reaction? Yes. So I actually got I'm guessing this is the Brazilian. Let me see, because they don't never be telling you nothing. They don't never be telling you nothing. I honestly, okay, so for this, for the origin of the hair, I really don't know. I don't know. The texture of the hair is straight and it's 26 inches. I think I may have to look up real quick, but I think, honestly, I think it's like, it's either Brazilian or Malaysian, question mark. Honestly, iSee Beauty, if you guys are watching this, you guys should really include what the person got, especially when it takes kind of long to get here. You know, like, people could forget, and I forgot, and I want to tell my viewers exactly what I got so they can get the hookup too. And it's 26 inches, by the way. I don't know if I said that, but okay. So this is the hair so far. This is how it looks. I'm gonna get into the hair in a minute. Let me show y'all the box. Get into it real quick. So, oh, it looks like they sent me some lashes. They sent me some 3D lashes, and you might catch me in these, you might not. We'll see if I wear it, but thank you for the gift. And then I also got this thing. Okay, well, let me not do that. I'm just about to cut this just to see. I'm thinking that it's like a little travel brush, because I've had these when I was younger. Oh, yes it is. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Oh, that's lit. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I like that. You don't even understand how helpful this is too, like, because you know the struggle carrying around a big ass brush all the time. And this also has a mirror. It's super cute. I really like this. Thank you, like, for real. Out of all the little gifts that AliExpress hair vendors try to give me, like, this is like the most appreciated. A pamphlet here, and it just says your $5 coupon. Yo, these people do not play any type of games. Oh my god. And the other day I was in a beauty supply store and I really needed a wig cap, but I was just like, I swear I have one at home. And I ended up not getting it while I was at the beauty supply store, and I came home and I really didn't have a wig cap. And it's just so funny that they sent me this and it's 2 in there. Look at them putting 2 fingers up. 2. It's 2 in there. So they letting you know that they got you, okay? So that's really lit. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much. So this, it has this in it. This, I don't know what this is. This, whatever, stuffer or whatever. All right, you guys, let's see this. Oh my gosh. You guys, and the longest inches that I've ever done was 26. So I got 26 again. I got 20. Oh, F no. This thing is so, oh nah. You guys, I swear I literally just got chills just now. Like, literally, I literally just got chills, literal chills, because this hair is no joke already. Like, and this video is not sponsored, okay? This video is not sponsored at all. And for this hair to come like this off the rib, I didn't even wash it yet. You know, y'all just see me unbox it. I didn't even wash it yet. It's not flat ironed. I didn't flat iron it. This thing is so silky. You guys, I'm getting so excited and I'm getting chills because my birthday is literally in 2 days. And one thing that I can't stand, okay, so I create my own wigs, right? I'm not a professional wig maker. So when I do make my wigs, sometimes there's like little flaws. And like, I did a pretty good job on like installing the hair and everything. But it'd be like the littlest things, like when I flatten my hair, like it's just like a little bulk. Like, I don't like that. So that's why I'm just like, that's why I decided to just do it differently this time and actually get a wig already made. I was super scared, but baby, this not a joke. Hold on. Oh, and I got was this 250 density or 180? You guys, I'm definitely gonna leave everything in the description bar. I'm so sorry for not coming prepared. Honestly, I really thought they was gonna have everything in the invoice in the box, but they didn't. So anything that I left out, I'm definitely gonna put in the description bar. I'm gonna bleach these knots because I don't play with that. I need my shit to blend. Okay. Segment, but yeah, so this is the inside. It comes with comb attachments. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 comb attachments, and you could always add you could always add a strap to it if that's what you prefer in your wigs. You can always add a strap to it. So it has like little pieces that I need to cut off and stuff. But this is so cool. Oh my god, you guys. I'm super, super, super excited. And I'm definitely going to come back with a review when I actually have it installed. And I'm also, be on the lookout for my birthday vlog, because I'm also going to post a birthday vlog. I want you guys to know how I spent my 21st. And how much fun I had and how lit I be, okay? I actually don't really be that lit, but we're gonna act like I am. But yeah, so far so good. This hair feels amazing. It's super soft. It's super, man, I can't even believe this. How is this even my first time like really buying this hair? Like, come on now. This hair, I can already tell, like, mind you, I've gotten a lot of hair for the past, like, for the course of 4 years or whatever. Like, I seriously been going through hair like it's nothing, and I only buy hair from AliExpress. Like, sometimes I'll branch out to other vendors, other companies, but honestly I like AliExpress because it's cheap, and once you find that like really good company for a good price, like, it's definitely like a steal. So that's what I like to do. But this hair, I can already tell the way it's moving without it being washed, nothing, like from jump. I can already tell this hair is about to make me like a bad bitch. Like, seriously, like, this about to be some bad bitch hair for sure. I can already tell, like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like, from the looks of it, it's already wowing me. It's already giving me all types of life. So yeah, like, this is definitely cool. And let me give y'all a little sniff smell, a sniff test. Let me see how it smells. It smells normal. You know how like regular hair smells, like, not even like regular hair, but like, you know when you get it from the pack or whatever, like, it just smells like hair. Like, I don't even know, like Barbie hair, honestly. It just smells like Barbie hair. So to me, that's pretty normal because all of them be smelling like that. Fingers do this like crazy. And I haven't gotten not one single strand this entire video. Let me try to give it a little more force. Not one. I haven't gotten one strand as they're looking. Okay. This is how they're looking. This hair honestly kind of looks layered. So that's one thing that I was like kind of like curious how I'm supposed to look about that. Yeah, very beautiful. I really like how this looks, for real. And it doesn't look like, honestly, like, it does not look thin. Like, I thought it was gonna look super thin. I was really scared, but it looks perfect. Like, it looks like a good amount of hair. It's not too bulky. Like, I feel like it's gonna sit perfectly flat on my head. I think I'm gonna have so much fullness going throughout the hair. This is perfect. This is so beautiful. Let me give y'all one more look. Y'all see her moving. Let me let y'all see. I'm gonna let y'all see, okay? Y'all see her moving. Ooh, 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 ooh. Straight out the box, man. That's crazy. Straight out the box, guys. One more time. One more time. Y'all need to see the shine. One more time, the shine, the everything, the life, just soak it all in, okay? Just soak it all in. All right, you guys, that actually concludes my video. You guys, that concludes my video for today. Today we just had an unboxing real quick for iSee hair on AliExpress for my not full lace, but my frontal lace wig. I guess that's what it's called. I don't know. But yeah, the hair was beautiful just off the bat, off the rip. She came swinging. She was like, I'm here for the cause. And she came and she definitely delivered. Okay, she definitely delivered. And I have high hopes for this hair. And I will definitely be back with multiple reviews for this hair. So like, I'll give you like, you know, an initial review, first month's review, like, you know, like just to let y'all know how this hair is holding up, just so you guys can know if it's a good buy or not. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.